Okay, so this is a vlog,
Yes.
right? So what are we going to talk about today?
Well, today we're going to talk about who we are as a company, our mission, and kind of walk around and see our operation and what we do for a living.
So is there a reason we're standing?
No.
Okay.
I mean, do you want to say like who you are maybe? You just want to jump on in it?
I'm your daddy. That's who I am. Why do I have to tell everybody else who I am? You know who I am.
That's true. This is only for me.
Well, it is only for you. You told me to come here. I'm coming here. So to the right of me is our showroom, which we'll go in a minute.
Yes.
But I think it'd be more interesting if people would actually see what's going on and how we manufacture.
Yeah.
Do you agree with me?
I do.
I'm being polite because I want to be polite, but you know, I'm the boss,
I'm happy you are.
Right? Very good. Okay, turn around and let's walk. Because don't run. I'm not going to hurt you.
I don't know.
Okay?
You just said you were going to choke me.
Not yet. But I'm sure you'll come up with something that will make me want to. But it's okay. It's all from the heart. It's not, there is no anger here.
So this is our factory, and we're in the east end of Houston. How long have you been here at this location?
This location will be since 1996. So what's that? That's 22.
You're asking me to do math?
22. No. No. You smile. You just be your sweet self. Don't do math. That would scare me. Since 1996, right?
Yeah.
So that's 22 years in this location. Total next year will be 40 years.
It's a long time.
It's a long, long time. And as you know, this is all I've ever done. Mm-hmm. And I am not overusing a word when I tell you, as you know, that I'm very passionate about what I do. And I care about everything I do every day.
Yeah.
Right? That's why people think that I'm angry all the time, but I'm really not angry. Smart move. I like that. See, you're far. Okay? Because I care about what we do. I care when we tell customers certain things, and those things happen.
Yeah.
Right?
I agree.
Okay.
You're not going to give somebody something just based off money.
No. See, that's exactly, you've been in the showroom, right?
Yeah.
How many customers do we have? What's your best?
Yeah.
Okay? That's a great question.
But it's
There is no
different.
answer.
Yeah.
Best for you is not best for me, and so on and so forth.
Okay.
All right? No.
It's important that people realize that because...
Right. I'm interested in one thing and one thing only. Your comfort, the quality of the bed that you buy, the longevity of the use of it. That's it.
Okay, perfect.
Right?
So at the end of the day, you can do all the research you want, but if you come here, we'll make it easier.
Exactly.
Yeah.
You'll actually, we'll make you feel, you're buying a feel.
Yeah.
Okay? And what you did is the perfect example. You cannot measure comfort, but God knows you can measure discomfort.
Yeah.
Right?
Apparently.
No, but think about it. Think through your life.
No,
when do you ever
yes,
measure comfort?
Of course.
Never.
Of course.
But you measure discomfort.
That's why the mattress felt better whenever I was laying on something extremely uncomfortable versus the
Right.
second one.
Right. So I'm going to show you, we're going to show you how to measure your comfort. Are we getting warm here?
I'm hot.
Well, tell you what, that's how we make a living. We're hot. Okay? When you get passionate and excited as I am, you get hot. You know, warm.
I am passionate then.
Okay,
I'm
then,
warm.
you know, move your hair back and do, you know, that thing you do that aggravates the hell out of me every day. Thank you.
So this is our factory, and this is also our original location. We've got 2 locations now
Right,
of our showroom,
right.
but we manufacture everything here.
Everything here. Everything that you can think of.
Yeah.
From a mattress point of view,
Yeah.
we can manufacture here. And I mean anything.
Yeah. So what do you love about your job when you walk through here? Why are you so passionate about this?
How many jobs in the world can you use your brains, be creative, and your hands, and help people to feel better? There's not many.
Yeah.
Okay? Without hurting them.
Any more?
What is this? I'm talking here and your head, what is this?
It's my attitude.
That's an attitude? Well, cop your attitude in Aldinemo. I'll show you attitude. And have sushi and all that stuff you do.
Wait. What are you talking about sushi?
What's with the hands again? Bottom line is, younger folks spend a lot of time wanting comfort. But the one thing that they use the most, that should give them the most amount of comfort, they take for granted.
Yeah.
So they get online or whatever and they just buy it. I'm not saying that if you live in the middle of nowhere, let's say, and it's easier to get something transported to you, okay. But when you're in the middle of the 4th largest metropolitan area in this country, there should be no reason that you should ever buy something online that is that important. Some things you shouldn't take the easy way out.
Yeah.
You should do it the smart way. And by the way, it won't cost you more.
Yeah.
If your budget is X, then it's X. And
Well,
we'll
and
give you the
even-
best for your budget. If you come in open-minded, okay, and you allow your body to feel what's right or wrong, then you will pick your mattress, and then you will find out what that mattress costs you. Thank you for tuning in. We really appreciate you taking the time and absorbing what we're trying to do here. Would you like to add something?
Yes, I would. In our next episode, I'm going to explain what I've learned while working here.
God willing.